Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Selenium Tech Automation. In this today tutorial, I am going to discuss about how to handling the files. The concept called as handling files in Java, and also we can call it as files and IO streams. Okay, so here I stands for input source and O stands for output data. Okay, here I stands for input source and O stands for output data. So whereas streams stands for sequence of data. The whole concept we can call as files and IO streams, or how to handle files in Java. Okay, so let's get started. Before that, we have to know about the below terms such as file output stream and file input stream. Okay, first we will discuss about what is a file. So later we will discuss about the remaining two classes, that is file output stream and file input stream. Okay, first we will discuss about the file. Okay, what is a file here? Okay, in Java, with the help of file class, okay, here file is also called as a file class. So in Java, with the help of file class, we are going to work with the files. Okay, in Java, with the help of file class, we are going to work with files. Okay, so this files class, okay, this file class is present inside a package name called as java.io package, right? This file class is present inside a package name that is called as java.io package, and this file class can be used by create an object of class, and then we are going to specify that name of that particular file. Okay, so the next one here is why this handling is required, why file handling is required. For example, file handling is an integral part of any programming language such as Java, C# or Python or JS. Okay, file handling is an integral part of any programming language, as file handling will enables us to store output of any particular program in a file, and which will allow us to perform certain operations on it. Okay, for example, with the help of this file handling, we are going to work with some different kind of languages such as Java, C#, Python, JSON, etc. Okay, so to handle these files. Okay, and this file handling will enables us to store the output of any particular program language in a file and allow us to perform certain operations on it. Okay, in simple words, file handling means reading the data and writing the data into a particular file, whether it will be text file, whether it will be .xlsx file, whether it will be word file. Okay, so in simple terms, the file handling means reading and writing some text data into files, right? So the next one here is what is a stream here. Okay, so here the concept stream is used in order to perform IO operations on a particular file. Okay, the stream concept here means, what is this stream here means, stream is used in order to perform IO operations on a particular file. So here streams means sequence of data. Okay, at the same time we can have different concepts of streams in Java. The first one is sequence of data is also known as a stream, and also this stream concept are going to use to perform some IO operations on a particular file. And also there are two kinds of streams. The first type of stream here is file input stream, the next type of stream here is file output stream, right? The file input stream and the file output stream. Okay, so here what is called as file input stream. Okay, first we will discuss about what is called as file input stream. So here file input stream means this class is used to read the data from the file. Okay, this class is used to read the data from the file, and also some devices like a keyboard or network, etc. Okay, we are going to read some data from a particular file, right? So here this input stream is an abstract class, and because of that it is not used by itself. Okay, here the file input stream is an abstract class. Because of this abstract class, it is not possible to use by itself, and also this file input stream subclasses are going to use to read the data. With the help of subclasses, we are going to read the particular data from files. Okay, so there are several subclasses which are available in input stream class. The first class here is audio input stream, and the second one is byte array input stream. So likewise we can have different classes inside this file input stream abstract class. Okay, so Now we are going to discuss about the file input stream. So what is a file input stream class here? This class is used to read the data from the particular file, whether it will be txt file or xlsx file or some other file like word file, right, or csv file. So and also we can have different kinds of methods inside this file input stream. For example, there are some reset method, close method is available, skips method is available, available method also available, mark method also available, read method also available. Okay, first we will discuss about only two methods which are available in file input stream. The first method here is read method. So what does this read method will do under file input stream? Abstract class. Okay, so the method called as read method. So this read method will perform reads one byte of data from the input stream. Okay, with the help of this read method we are going to read one byte of, okay, one byte of data from the input stream, that is called as a file. So whereas what is this close method means, with the help of this close method we are going to close the input stream. Okay, so these are the two methods I am going to cover in this topic, and next we can move to what is file output stream. Okay, so the file output stream is also an abstract class and which is used to write some data into numerous output devices like monitor or file, etc. Okay, and this is also an abstract class. So here also we can have different kinds of methods like how we have for file input stream. So under that, byte array output stream, file output stream, string buffer output stream, object output stream, data output stream, and print stream. So these are all the subclasses which are present inside this file output stream abstract class. Means this is a super class. Inside that super class we can have file output stream as well, and also data output stream, object output stream, string buffer output stream, byte array output stream. So these are all the subclasses of file output stream. Okay, so and also we can have different methods inside this file output stream subclass. The first method here is write method, and the next method here is close method, and the next method here is flush method. Okay, so first we will discuss about a method called as write method, which is present inside a subclass called file output stream. Okay, what does this write method will do? It will write the specified byte of data to the output stream. Okay, with the help of write method we can able to write some byte of text data to that particular output stream, right? So whereas close method, what is this close method here? Closes the output stream. With the help of close method we can able to close the output stream. And also what is a flush here? This flush will represent in an output stream to the destination. Okay, this flush, what is this flush will do? If any data got stuck, okay, inside our files, this flush is going to buffer that stuck data inside our file. Okay, so that is all about this file output and file input stream. So now I am going to show you all this with some kind of examples. Okay, so first we will see with the help of file input stream and output stream, so how we can handle these files. Okay, the first concept here is file. Okay, first we will see an example for file class. So for that, first let me open my Eclipse. So here I am going to create a class name called as file. Okay, for example the class name called as file handling. Okay, the class name called as file handling. So here I am going to use at the rate test, because I am using testng here. That is method name is public void file handling. Okay, public void file handling. So here what we need to do, file. Okay, our concept called the first class here is file, right? So here you can see file is coming from java.io package. With the help of this file we are going to create one file. Okay, with the help of this file class we are going to represent a particular file, right? File, I am taking the file and object is here file equals to new file of string path name, that is system dot get property of user.dir concatenate. So where is our file got located? Okay, for that let me open any one of our earlier programs. So I will simply copy the path. Okay, So here with the help of file I am going to represent a file here. Okay, so this one, right? So let me maximize this, and this is our path of that particular file. So with the help of this file we are going to represent a file here. So after this step, what is our next step? We are going to create a file, right? We are going to create a file. For that also, sorry, file equals to new file system.get property. So here I want to mention a file here, right? So for that I have created a folder here that is called as file handling. Sorry, excel files reports, excel files reports. Okay, here you can see text files folder is there. So in this text files I am going to create one file called as automation.txt file. Okay, text files is my folder name. So inside this I am going to create selenium tech.txt file. Okay, selenium dot tech.txt. So the extension of this file is selenium.txt. Okay, so after that what I am going to do, I am going to print, that is file dot exist. If that file dot exist, it will give you the true, otherwise it will return you the false if that file got not created. Okay, so and then I am going to use file dot create. See here you can see we are going to create some new file on this particular folder. We are going to declare the throws declaration IO exception, input output exception. Okay, if I run this program, it will create one file inside this folder. Okay, one second, user.dir, what is error? Null pointer exception, right? Null pointer exception. So let me quickly go to our this file. Okay, file equals to file of, so I want to take the same path here. Okay, system.get property of, I will take it from here. Okay, system.get property of user.dir, the folder name called as text files, right? The folder name called as text files, text files. So after that extension is .txt. Okay, selenium .txt is my extension. Okay, so let me execute it one more time. Okay, so now it got executed successfully. So first let me check here whether it is created new file or not. For that you can do refresh. Once if you refreshed, here you can see it got created, right? selenium.txt file. Okay, so it got created here. So with the help of file class we can able to represent a file, but this file class is not going to create any physical file. Okay, for that with the help of file we are not able to create any new file, but it will represent only the file here. Okay, so this is how we can use this file class to create a file here. So the next one here is file output stream. Okay, so this time I am going to write some data into our file. So how we can write? Okay, so for now I am going to add comments here, that is creating new file. Okay, this method is for creating new file. So here now I am going to write some test data, right? File output stream. For that file output stream, FOS equals to new file output stream, right? New file output stream of, what is our path here of this particular file? The path here is selenium.txt file. Okay, now we are going to write some test data to this particular file, right, with the help of file output stream. So here I am going to take some bytes data type here, byte of, okay, array type I am taking here. So now I am going to write some 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Okay. So now what it will do, it will print the ASCII numbers. Okay, these are all the ASCII numbers for ABC. Okay, so now I am going to write all these things. So for that we are going to write, right? So with the help of FOS dot write. Okay, what is our byte here? That is B. Okay, so after that FOS dot write of byte, sorry, write of byte. Okay, for example, write of B, write of S I will take here. Okay, so then I am going to take some write of I. Okay, some write of I. So after that I am going to take write of I. Okay, write of I. So then I am going to do some flush here. Suppose if anything got stuck on your file, this flush method is going to flush that method into buffer. Okay, it is going to buffer the test data with the help of flush method. Okay, so thereafter I am going to close. Okay, this close method also we discussed. So now let me execute this program and we will see, we will get some error here. No error. So now we will check our file here, that is txt file, right? Selenium.txt file. Here you can see ABCDEF SI2. Okay, here you can see ABCDEF SII. Okay, so here I am going to change my this one. Okay, here I am going to change the ANSI code here to 65. Okay, 65, 66, 68, 69, 70. So these are all the ASCII numbers. And now let me execute. Okay, so this time what I am getting here, let me close. Okay, we have to close this file. So now let me execute it one more time and we will see the output. Okay, so now refresh your folder. Okay, ABCD F we removed here, so that's why it is printing ABCD SII. Okay, so that is how we can write the some test data into our file with the help of file output stream. So next one is what is file input stream. Okay, file input stream is used to read the test data present inside our file, right? So for that, so let me quickly add commented lines here, that is to write test data. Okay, to write test data. So now we are going to write a program for how to read test data present inside our file, right? Okay, so this program is for read data from file. Okay, read data from file. Okay, so now how we can read? With the help of file input stream, we are going to read the data present inside that file, right? So for that, file input stream FIS equals to new file input stream, right? So this time I am going to pass my file location path, right? Okay, once it is done. Okay, so now int I equals to FIS dot read. Okay, FIS dot read, it will read the data present inside that file, that is of type integer. Okay, so now I am going to while loop, sorry, while, okay, while I is not equals to 1, so you can print all the characters present inside that file. Okay, so system.out.println. So what is our types there? That is of character type, right? So for that I am going to typecasting here. Okay, of I, right? Of I, char of I. So now I'm going to read fis dot read. Okay, here we are going to typecasting, means character is a lower data type and integer is a bigger data type. So that's why I am going to typecasting here to read the data type of integer. Okay, so now we will see. So because here we don't have any termination, right? So that's why I'm going to mention here -1. Okay, so that's why I'm going to mention here -1, right? Now we will see. So here you can see it is printing all the test data which is available inside our file. Okay, our file is looks like this. Okay, ABCDESII. Okay, after executing, it is going to read all the test data present inside the file. Okay, and it is going to print all the values, right? So inside our Selenium text we have ABCDESII. So here I am going to typecast into character of data type, right? So that's why I am going to typecasting here. So then I am printing each and every character line by line. Okay, so this is how we can handle these files with the help of file handling IO in Java. Okay, so first quickly recap it one more time. The first concept here is what is file and IO streams, how we can handle the files in Java with the help of mainly three classes. The first class is file, the next super class here is file output stream, the next super class here is file input stream. Inside this file input stream we can have different methods such as uh, file read operation. Okay, read operation. So likewise you can have different kinds of methods here, right? The first method is read method, mark method, available method, close method. So in the same way we can have different methods for close also, I mean file output stream as well. If you want to write some data, with the help of write we can update our test data into txt file. So once that is done, we are going to close with the help of close method, and also we are using here flush method. Why this flush method means, if any data got stuck inside your file, so then this flush method is going to buffer that particular stuck data. Okay, and also we discussed about file. So what is a file here? Okay, what is a file here? With the help of file class we can work with the files. Okay, here the file is nothing but a class. With the help of this file class we are going to work with files. Okay, so this file class is coming from the java.io package, and this file class can be used by creating any object of the class, and then we are going to specify in the name of a particular file. Okay, so this is all about file IO streams or file handling in Java, or files and IO streams. So here streams means sequence of data. Okay, and IO means input source and O means output data. Okay, overall concept is called as files and IO streams in Java. Okay, so that's all it for now guys. If you like this video, please drop a like, and also if you are new to here, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and also please share this video to your friends or colleagues so that they will also learn the concept file IO handling in Java, and also your share will helps this video to recommend for more people from YouTube point of view as well. Okay, that's all it for now. So we will connect with our next video. Until then, take care everyone. Have a nice day. Signing off, Selenium Tech Automation. Thank you so much guys.